Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV Specialist. Let's go sneak up on Dave and see what he's cooking up this morning. Sorry for the back noise. That's him using the power drill. Looks like he's mixing up some tundra. A little bit of puree this morning, Dave?
Huh?
A little bit of puree this morning?
Yeah.
You getting ready to do a roof coating on this one over here?
Huh?
You getting ready to do a roof coating on this one over here?
We're gonna do a touch-up on one, and then we got priority on another one coming in for a roof reseal.
Oh, okay.
But this one will be right after that with a body seal and a spot seal roof.
Oh, okay, perfect. All right, thanks so much. Hey everybody, so if you didn't check this out already, this is Dustin, your RV Specialist, and we're doing a bunch of videos to kind of help the RV community as well as our fellow shops around the area. You know, this Winnebago, like Dave was saying, we're going to do a body reseal and look like some touch-ups on the roof. If you haven't joined our channel, you know, whether it's by brand, we do, you know, work on almost any kind of coach that you can think of, from basic entry travel trailers, you know, little teardrops to mules. So we're actually on their list for mules for the authorized service center. But anyways, check us out. I believe, I'm not sure if it's this coach, but in the past we've took out full slide outs just like this on some of these. Actually, it wasn't this one because it had a refrigerator in it. But anyways, if you want to check out updates and things that we're working on in the shop, stuff that's going on, feel free to join us on any of our Facebook groups. We have a link on our website, and that's at www.californiarvspecialist.com. And you can go on there and either join a particular group that we have, or you can go into some of our other basic tips and tricks groups, see things that we're working on, get updates, projects, things that are going on in the shop and the lot, you know, fun things, bad things, good things, you name it. Camaraderie, that's Jim in that one, parking that guy. Zach and Biggin are over here working on some other ones. So you'll get to know all the guys and the crew. You'll get to see some crazy stuff go on and just our daily lives working at an RV repair shop. Thanks so much for watching.